everyone, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans, and today I'm going to be planning the week of July 30th in my B6. I'm going to be using this Under the Sea collection from Rose Shadow Collection. It is a foiled B6 mini kit. It came in this beautiful folder, and you can actually put this folder right in a TN setup, which is kind of cool, and it's got like this decoratively cut pocket as well. So anyway, I just thought that was really cool. And then here are the full boxes. This kit is so foiled. Her kits have like, I feel like for foiled kits have like the most foil of any kit. I don't know, like pretty much every page is foiled except for, actually it might just be every page. So it's got this, and this is like this mini kit B6 format. Like you got a spattering of foil on those, and it has these stunning date covers. So beautiful. I do wish that weekend banner was foiled though, because if you're already foiling the page, it seems like, you know, but anyway, this is just so beautiful, so I'm going to be trying that out. As always, I will be using my Jesenia's printables inserts, a week on 3 pages or 4 pages, so it's got the weekdays here and then the weekend and listing. Ooh, this is getting quite chunky with all my stickers, but I am going to just go ahead and jump in. In with the gorgeous date covers. I love these so much. They're obviously quite large, but that's okay. I'm just going to use the washi from the kit at the bottom, which is pretty skinny, and I'm not going to put a full box down every day. So I will still have plenty of space. I decided to run the washi across the bottom of the sidebar too, because I figured I would have space for it. So this week is semi-busy. My mother-in-law is in visiting us at the beach house, and then actually this weekend we're kind of doing the reverse thing. So we're actually driving back to Philly this weekend because my sister-in-law's baby shower is on Sunday, and my brother-in-law and his daughter are in too, so we don't really get to see them that often, so we wanted to have some family time with them as well. So we're driving back to Philly after my daughter goes to camp on Friday, and then we'll come back to the beach on Sunday. So sort of like the opposite of what everyone else does. So anyway, I put down a weekly ombre. I didn't have a header that exactly matched, so I just used the to-do one, but I'm going to use that for tracking my Wild 30 lettering assignments topics of the day. And then I grabbed a habit tracker that was from the Inky and the Brain kit. Oh, that weekly ombre was actually from Wild Summer Designs. It's quote unquote leftovers from a kit that I haven't used yet, but I knew I wouldn't need 2 in that spread, and that kit had 2. Anyway, I don't have my full collection of leftovers with me, obviously, because I'm on vacation, so I've been borrowing some things from kits that I have planned for my Marion Quadrant. Then I use these cute little shell checklists for every day, and used an icon from the kit for trash day on Monday to measure out where I wanted my second header, which once again I'm using the skinny bow washi for. Love doing this. Is my new favorite. My new favorite headers are skinny bow washis in here, and just using the slice tool, which I don't know, a plan with me a while back, I talked about how much I hate the slice tool, but then I couldn't find the lid for my X-Acto blade knife, so I just packed this, and it's growing on me, but I still think I prefer the X-Acto blade. Anyway, while I was just doing stuff that had to go all the time, I decided to just put down my camp stickers on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, using these sort of solid quarter boxes. And my daughter has camp Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and then leaving myself a bow clip reminder for the Friday one, because my daughter, they have swim on Fridays. She's only 2, so they only swim once a week. Well, I think if you go Tuesday the whole week, you swim twice a week, but we have to dress her in her swim stuff then, and it's actually a complicated swim diaper, swim bottoms, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, it's a whole thing, so gotta get her dressed for that. And then on Monday I wanted to do some filming. I was gonna get my nails done, which didn't happen, and we also had to do some grocery shopping. Then on Tuesday I will have this video up later in the day, because I'm just recording this voiceover now, and it is nap time on Tuesday. And then tonight we are going out for a date night, since my mother-in-law is here to babysit, and we are going to my absolutely favorite restaurant on the island, Steve and Cookies, and it's you cannot get a reservation. Honestly, guys, it's a Tuesday, and they still only had like 5:30 and earlier or 8:30 and later, and that's on a Tuesday night. Like if you want to go there on the weekend, you better have booked in February when they open up reservations for the summer. Anyway, so lucky that we're getting to do that. The food is amazing, and they have like just the most amazing seafood. Anyway, I will stop talking about that now. And then I just left myself a $2 for whatever we did whatever we decided to do during the day, which actually ended up being we went out to lunch. So then on Wednesday, I left myself a full box as well. I'm hoping to make it to a yoga class while my daughter's at camp and hopefully while my son is napping. I did that last week. I had a lot of fun, but my son did not enjoy me not being there. Anyway, and then we need to do some cleaning before everyone gets back for the weekend. So I'm giving myself a little check list to do that. Weekend starts on Thursdays at the beach. Anyway, then I'm putting my icons across the top. On Thursday, it's street cleaning. On Wednesday, we need to let my mom know that we're like our exact plans for going home because she may not come to the beach if none of her kids are there. My brother's not coming this weekend. Anyway, it's a whole thing. On Tuesday, that was today. I wanted to download some new books on my Kindle, and on Friday I need to do my month-end finances. Even though we're on vacation, still want to keep up with that. That's just like my tracking of our like income and expenses that I do every month. Anyway, on Thursday we will work out and do some unknown activity, which I left myself a $2 for because I wanted to fit a full box in and I knew it wouldn't fit on Friday. And then on Friday my daughter is camp, then we need to pack up. We are going to drive back to Philly and then hopefully do something with the cousins or my brother and sister-in-law, however you want to phrase that, in the evening. So left myself a half box for that and then just polished that off with a little bit of Simply Gilded washi. I'm going to put down my base for the second half of the week. And I have like just really been enjoying this plan as I go style, but that doesn't involve having to do any stickers. So I do like all the stickers all at once. But the only thing with it is that like some things that would usually get their own stickers end up in my to-do list. Like on Tuesday, I downloaded books, but that really could have been a to-do. And really what I wish was in that like little slot would be the Foxy Fix mystery sale, which I am about to go buy something on. Hopefully, fingers crossed I get something. But yeah, so anyway, because I do all my stickering in advance because it's just easier to keep up with in the week, that obviously ended up in the to-do when really like in terms of importance, those things should have been reversed. But that's cool. When I get home and have all the stickers and all the planners and all the space, plus I have to work, so I have to be at my desk every day, I will figure out a new system. So on my second sidebar, I have my notes for next week, and then I just had a groceries headers. It's really, I wish it just said shopping or to buy, but I just figured groceries was close enough, and that is like any stuff that I need to grab for the week, grocery or otherwise, usually not really groceries because we have like an app that we use for that like syncs between my phone and my husband's phone. But anyway, and then I just put a little bit more Simply Gilded washi at the bottom. Okay, so I am back from doing a quick Foxy Fix mystery sale because priorities, and I can happily report that I did get some things. Yay, super excited about that. Although I won't see it till I got home, so it'll be a real mystery. Anyway, on Saturday, I don't know what we're doing, but we will be hanging out with the fam, the cousins, or I call them the cousins, but it's like my brother and sister-in-laws, but you know, the kids with all the kids, kid cousins, super cute. And then we'll probably watch a movie Saturday night, and there was like a cute popcorn sticker, so I decided to use that. My dad has like a really awesome TV at his house, so we usually watch a movie while we're there, especially if no one's there to use the TV besides us. And then I really had no clue what we're doing on Saturday, so just kind of left myself some space to write things in and maybe squeeze in a workout. Then on Sunday, don't know what we're doing in the morning, but in the afternoon we have the shower, and then our plan is to drive right back to the beach after the shower. So I used that little road trip sticker from Hello Petite Paper, and hopefully I'll get to do some planning. Probably it won't be like full on filming planning, but I can at least like write out my pre-planned stuff for the week, and then I'll, do my actual stickering on Monday this week, just because with the driving, I don't think I'll have time while it's still light out to film, but I can still do like my sort of pre-plan the plan. Got all the plans. Anyway, that is everything except for a little bit of gorgeous deco. And yeah, so pretty. I love this kit. Love this art. This is my second time using this art. I did in my iron cauldron as well. Okay, that is everything all filled out. I think this looks so cute, except for this is like my midweek in the insert, and on this this is like the tie insert, and it's like so frayed, and I couldn't like rotate it around, and then I tried to like slide it in so this wasn't in the middle, but it kept coming loose. So anyway, I'm just gonna have to live with that. I also have my Studio Signet bookmark charm in there. Oh, so cute. I love these bookmark charms. They are so pretty. And then this is a K&Co XO jumbo wide paper clip, peach palm, and a K&Co XO dangly clip, all the clips. And this one is from the Simply Gilded Maybox on my second page there. A lot of empty space in here, and also I did not do as amazing of a job with my handwriting this week as I did last week, but that is okay. I was just kind of like, I don't know, frazzled a little when I was writing this. Anyway, here is that folder again, and here is what I have left from the kit. So I actually even have a little deco, some flags. These kits are like, it's a very functional amount of stuff for the B6. The only thing is I like don't use these, so I kind of wish that there was like some more sidebar stuff instead of this, like some habit trackers. There's like there's not a weekly ombre or anything in here, so that would be really nice. I still have 3 full boxes left here. Although I always wonder, like, with this one's like not as plain, but like, are you supposed to put something in here? Let me know if you do down in the comments below. But anyway, I have like a selection of stuff left here. So this is a really good size for a B6 kit. I love these little things. I'm definitely gonna have to like find a kit that matches with them so I can use them again, or use them. I didn't want to use like just a few. I wanted to save them to use because they're so pretty and they're foiled. Anyway, that is everything. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you subscribe, and check me out on Instagram at mycraftyplans to keep up with everything going in my planner. Bye!